I do thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be a review and demo of the new Studio Fix Tech MAC Cream to Powder Foundation. The color that I wear is a NC45 in all their products. I may go a little bit up, depends on my shade. So with that being said, let's get started. It claims to be more lightweight, smooth, and comfortable to the skin. Medium to full buildable coverage. It gives a natural matte finish. It claims to be sweat and humidity resistant. This is the packaging right here. Comes in a little silver compact. Comes with a wedge, of course. Sponge. You get 10 grams of product, which is per 35 ounces. And this is the NC45. And it has the compact mirror, which is great for travel. If you don't know about MAC, it's a Estee Lauder brand since 1996. When I start doing my foundation routines and my foundation reviews and demos, I will let you know what is the brand partner brand. So in case you want to try something else by this particular company and you may think that it's the same formula, go right ahead. Let me know what you think in the description box. And let's get started. My opinion of this product. What I can say about this product, it is very lightweight as it claims to be. It's very smooth. It feels like I don't have anything on, which is a plus for me. And you also, this is like apply and go. Sets to a nice powdery finish, a nice matte finish. Not too matte, which is a plus. You can get a little, it looks more natural to me. What you think of this foundation? Leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think of it. If you have tried it, did it stand up to the humidity or anything like that? Leave me a comment in the comments box below and let me know what you think of this foundation. How did it apply on camera to you? What you think of it? What you think of the coverage by watching the video? If you haven't already, thumbs up my video. Leave me a comment in the comments box below and subscribe to my channel. And I do thank you for watching.